This video is on toilet training and what you can do to make the process more engaging and hopefully more successful for your child. Now, if you haven't tried Potty Magic, that's a lot of fun. It's a pretty classic technique where people take food coloring. So say you take red or blue food coloring, put it in the toilet, then have your child urinate in the toilet, and the color changes to either orange or green. So it's really fun because it's very motivating and it gives kids some incentive. So if your child needs a little bit of motivation, you can give the food coloring trick a try. It oftentimes is very successful for kids that do need that extra push. So give it a try and see if it works for your child.